The world is trying to understand what to do with the popular cryptocurrencies that have emerged. 2017 was a breakout year as prices soared higher. All sorts of investors jumped in to speculate on their future, a theme that repeats itself. However, before you jump in, it's wise to understand what it is and the risks involved. Along with the explosion of interest in cryptocurrency, there is a growing need for clarity regarding the legal implications of these new currencies and the technologies that drive them. Regulatory agencies, tax authorities, and central banks around the world are working to understand the nature and the meaning of digital currencies. Meanwhile, we can make a great deal of money investing in them, but we also assume certain legal risks when we buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Financial compliance professionals and crypto ATMs exchanges, generally speaking, have limited understanding of each other. This leads to facilitation and unintentional overlooking of typical financial crime trends within the industry. Crypto operators are not incentivized to monitor and report AML and fraud practices, which means profit is often prioritized over compliance. The growing popularity and secrecy aspects of cryptocurrencies are starting to attract considerable attention around the world from all sorts of people. Criminals are attracted to the features that allow for money laundering and secrecy, while investors see opportunities for large gains to go unreported. Likewise, most governments and banks are starting to scream fool. These are also some risks of cryptocurrencies. We will talk about more risks in the next videos. Of course, you all would have easily understood. If my video helped you understand, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.